Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Lyft Driver app. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using Lyft app as a driver? Well, using the app itself is actually a pretty straightforward. You just need to know how to navigate the sections and icons that you see on the main UI. In this case, we already have the app opened in our screen here. So in this case, what are the first things that you see here? So at the very bottom, you should see the Go Online button, which in this case, by default, when you click on it, it should make you online and you're now ready to start accepting some rides or some bookings via the app itself. But what if you want to adjust a few things like filter your driving, what's your preferences, what is your location or preferred location? Well, in this case, you need to access a few things here. Now, the first thing you need to notice here is at the top right, you should see a bell icon. So typically that bell icon gives you the option to view your notifications. So those notifications give you some announcements from Lyft themselves or any notifications that Lyft would actually send you. Now, in this case, once you swipe up on your screen here, you should be able to see a section, which in this case is going to give you the demand forecast, demand police info min here, and the high demand predicted as well. So going down further, you also have the bonus hours and you also have the opportunity planner here. So in this case, you should be able to get some opportunities on certain rides if you view those specific sections. Now, if you click on the preferences icon at the bottom right or the settings icon at the bottom right of the screen, you should be able to see your driving preferences. Now, this driving preferences allows you to further customize your ride or your route in some way. Like for example, for head destination, it's going to filter rides where in this case, if you're headed to a specific location, you'll be able to filter those rides that are actually going to that specific location. Arrival time is it's a bit different here. So instead of relocation, it's going to filter things or rides that is within a time. Like for example, you set it in 2 p.m. It's going to filter rides that will actually be arriving at around 2 p.m. Now, stay within area here helps you stay within a specific area. So, for example, if you want to pick someone up or get a ride on a specific location, well, stay within an area. You will be able to set that specific setting here. Now, we also have the ride preferences here. So, we have ride types here. So, in most cases, you are only eligible for one type of ride here. But if you have a different vehicle and Lyft actually give you the option for a different ride or type of ride, you should be able to choose or differentiate or choose what type of ride you want to provide. Now, queued rides is actually helps you to choose how you accept. So, may it be manual or auto. Like for example, if you receive a notification regarding a ride, you have the option to have it automatically accept, or if you want to manually filter this out further, you could choose the manual option itself. Now we also have the ride switches here. So just in case you're picking someone up during a ride, it's going to automatically redirect you to specific different location while you're still picking up the passenger. So in this case, it is recommended that you turn this off so that you will not be switched to a different ride. In this case, you could go ahead and turn this on if you want to. So yeah, we also have the nearby here, which in this case, the wait time. So if you click on it, you should be able to see any specific map how long a wait time should be on a specific location. So this might range around 5 to 2 minutes. So depending on the area itself. You also have the gas discounts here. You should be able to see a map, which in this case, gas discounts are provided on that specific location for Lyft drivers. So if you want to view that, go ahead and click on it. Now, going back to the main UI for Lyft. So in this case, at the very top, you should be able to see your earnings as of this moment. So if you click on the dollar icon or the current amount at the very top center, you should be able to see this UI here, which in this case would include your earnings summary, also the tips you receive, the passenger payments, and total earnings as of right now. You also have the download weekly summary if you want to download your weekly summary, your payout history, a rate card here, and if you want to get assistance, you have to get help at the very bottom. Now, the next section, which is at the very top, you should be able to see your current earnings on a specific date, and also a cash out button if you want to cash out. Now, in this case, you can just click on cash out here, and it will actually redirect you to another page. In this case, you should be able to cash out and just click on confirm deposit, and you should be able to cash out via your account. Also, we also have the earning activities here. If you go back into the main UI, like what I showed you before, we have the today the see all activity at the center of your screen here. So if whenever you click on it, you should be able to see all your earning activities here as well. Now in this case, if you click on a specific ride here, you should be able to see further details regarding that ride. Now, we also, going back to the main menu, at the top left, you have the 3-bar icon on it. So if you click on the 3-bar icon, it should redirect you to your profile here. So in this case, you should be able to see your name here as well as your ride here and the total rides, the rating that you have right now, and how many years you are currently driving. Now also, you have the more ways to earn. So you have scheduled rides here, so you have the option to pick from scheduled rides right now and choose what ride you want to use, or basically accept. So in this case, you'll be able to choose from scheduled rides and pick them up and use that ride on a specific time. We also have the refer driver program here. So in this case, once you actually refer someone on Lyft, you'll be able to get certain rewards via the program itself. Also, we have these schedule rides here. This is what's going to look like. So you could search for Lyft's ride in this section here. Also, you have the vehicle devices here, which includes your vehicle, your amp light. So in this case, it's actually a light for your dashboard. So if you have those, you'll be able to set it up via that page. Your recording devices, if you have any, and order emblem and airport documents, if you have any. Now also, your vehicles here would also contain some documents regarding your vehicle. So in this case, if you want to view those, this is where you'll be able to view them. Now we also have the your feedback and Lyft rewards here. Now your feedback actually contains the feedback that you receive from customers. So in this case, like for example, if they give you 5-star, this is where you'll be able to see it and review all the feedback that you receive. Now Lyft rewards are, from the name itself, certain rewards that you get from Lyft when you actually start using the app itself. Also have the accounts here, which includes your personal info if you want to update any pay and tax info documents, any documents that you provided with them when you signed up, and settings and dashboard as well. Now you also have the get help at the very bottom here, which includes the capability of you basically giving or asking for assistance. So in this case, if you have any problem with your app itself, this is where you'll be able to get help from them. But yeah, so those are the basics that you need to know in using Lyft here, the driver app, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.